Welcome to the Christmas special. Just kidding, it's a Halloween special. We're making costumes, one for me, one for Michael. He doesn't want it, he doesn't know it's coming. Hello. For Michael, we're gonna make him a demonetization costume because that's the scariest thing he interacts with on a daily basis. The sound. This isn't gonna work. Cameraman John found like the one spot that it actually fits into the car. Thanks, Cameraman John. I was ready to cut it down more. Don't come down here, Michael! Gotta surprise him. We wait till the last minute every single time. Long story short, we're going to a Halloween party with a bunch of the animation channels like Tim Tom. That's it, just Tim Tom. He's gonna be the only one there. But he's pretty good at, you know, single person parties. Let's just start with the money sign. If we can't cut the money sign out with a router, we're not hosed, but we're gonna have a bad time. Oh, man, pure panic. Self-inflicted. This kid's looking at me funny. Gonna measure the width. We have 39 inches. This is too big, so we're gonna have to cut it. There you go, you can have that, it's yours now. Does Michael even have a costume? I don't think he has a costume at all. We're literally making a costume that he didn't prepare to have. This shiny side up. That way people can get a glimpse of Cameraman John's reflection and freak out about it. Whee! Michael's very good at getting everything ready to film a video, but then very bad at putting it all back. He's like maybe a 5 out of 10 on the cleanup part. I'm like a 3 out of 10 though, so I don't have a lot of room to be insulting. Fusion 360, make your model, which is this $sign. It's just literally a piece of text that's been extruded. Open it with their CAM package. I did a 2-dimensional contour on it. You can see the tool path. It lets you simulate it. I didn't really watch the whole simulation, so it could totally not work. And then we do post-process that exports a file that the machine can use. We load that into the software that comes with the machine. It's not as simple as the laser, but it's actually like probably twice as complicated as the laser. That means that it's CNC router time. We look insane! Oh no, 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 no. Wow, what an awful noise. We've made a huge mess. It actually is not as bad as I thought it would be. I'm surprised. I was worried it was gonna cut super poorly, but this is really not so bad. Now what we gotta do is put this onto a bigger cutout. And the bigger cutout is definitely gonna have to be cardboard, which John found some over there, which needs to be colored yellow. The demonetization icon is a goldish yellow. I think it's yellow because it sort of seems like green is good. Gold doesn't seem bad, so it's yellow. It's definitely yellow. It kind of looks gold. We could leave it silver. It looks kind of cool. No, white, which means we got to peel this off. See, John's always making the right calls. William comes up with a bad idea. John says, whoa, that's a bad idea. And he's like, William's like, okay. Don't, oh, thank God. You eat? Yeah. Okay. We went to Popeyes. Could not have cut that by hand. Okay, I'm gonna cut the second money sign out, and you, John, are going to cut out the circles out of the cardboard. Good luck. Oh, hey, John. Wow. Oh my God, we finished at the same time. And those don't look half bad. How many fingers do you have left? Oh, no. Oh, you got 5. You tricked me for a second there, you sneaky cameraman. Oh no, that's not good. We bought yellow spray paint, but I don't think we have enough time for it to dry, and we're lazy. Is putting tape on actually lazy? We're gonna do this really quick. How much time do we have? Like an hour? Less than an hour. I don't really know. Michael's not yelling at us yet, so that means we have some time. Can't believe how fast we did this. We're gonna have to glue these on, and I wanna say hot glue. The problem is hot glue will melt styrofoam. So we can get creative and like sort of let it cool down a little bit before doing it. We might sort of end up biting ourselves in the foot. Is it shooting yourself in the foot? Is there a biting version of that? Okay, well it's definitely not biting yourself in the foot because that doesn't make any sense. So the hot glue does melt foam when you put it directly on, but I think if you do cardboard first, let it sit for a second, and then put it on, we should be fine. So let's mark where we want the dollar signs to go. Bada bing, bada boom, we got ourselves most of a demonetization costume. Look at that. Am I demonetized or am I a lemon Skittle? You'll never know. If it's on Michael Reeves though, you can be pretty confident it's demonetization. Michael! Michael! It's very important, Michael! Keep your eyes closed.
Why am I here? You know we're late for everything.
Made you a costume?
Should I open them?
Just keep them on. Uncover your hand. Okay, open your eyes.
Oh my god! Yes! Wow, it's so accurate! Dang!
It kind of looks like a Skittle though.
No. We know what this is. We all know what this is.
Did you have a costume at all?
I was gonna actually make something exactly like
okay.
this.
Well, now you don't have to.
That's most of the things we build.
Yeah, surprisingly. I think we just don't use enough tape on our usual builds. Bye, Dr. Bones! We'll see you tomorrow, or really late tonight, which I guess is tomorrow.
You're making a video out of this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, we film all sorts of garbage on the channel.
It's like a dinner.
Yeah. You said a Halloween party.
I thought you said dinner.
Are we actually kind of on time too?
Sure it's a dinner.
This is amazing. Slight roadblock, everyone. The animation channels are in fact so famous that they didn't want us filming in their house. We have to improvise. And I thought, why not do it in animation style, even though this is kind of actually puppet style. Anyways, Cameraman John, Michael, and I were driving. Oh, we didn't make a car puppet. We were driving to the house, and we get there, and then we knock on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Tim Tom answered and let us in. Happy birthday!
Hi!
Hey, how's it going, everybody?
Guess whose costume?
Where's your costume? That's the most doo-doo costume I've ever seen.
It didn't get here. I spent
Yeah?
a lot of money on a custom costume.
Jeez, this is a bad story. How do we go in the house? Oh, we're just in the house, but we're like outside the house. Then we were talking to them. What did we do? That's it. And then we just hung out. Oh, there's bird cutouts. Jeez. You learn to make your very own bread cat costume right now. Go to your cardboard room of your house, get a piece of cardboard about yay big, cut out a piece with no bends that is about, I don't know, what's that, 29 by 22? Doesn't matter. This is basically what we're making. I think it was laser cut. You don't need a laser. Everyone always gets mad at us for being like, I don't have a laser. Well, look it, I don't have a laser either. I have a CNC machine that has a router attached to it, and I'm not sure that's great for cutting cardboard. So I'm gonna use a pair of scissors. I think I cut an oval last year. I'm literally just ballparking it because in the end, it doesn't really matter. All that does matter is that you look dope in your cat costume. Also, if you're under the age of 3, please don't use razor blades without your parents' permission. If you're under the age of 3 and don't have parents, then do whatever you want. Presto pasta, you've got yourself a bread cat costume. You might need to like... Meow. Fill out almost the entire bread with it. Never finished the bread cat costume because we were panicked, but you basically cover the bread mostly with tape, draw where you want the crust to end, and then cut it out. Why is this knife so dull? Peel it along the score mark. Well, that looks really bad, but that's the idea. If you want to win your very own trading card puppet, leave a comment, because I don't know what else we're going to do with them other than throw them away. So yeah, leave a big fat comment, and then we'll pick the winners, and next video we'll mail them out. You can't hear anything when wearing this. Hi, Michael. I think you're really cute. Okay. Caveman John and Michael fanfic. What? That's the magic of editing. You cut out all the bad stuff and then refilm it because the whole thing was bad.